Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making an easy breakfast quesadilla with cheese and sausage. So first off, we're going to need some eggs. Two eggs in there. Beat them up a little. Now just put a little salt in there. Tiny bit of pepper. There goes the pepper. Garlic. Beat that up a little. Now we're going to add our smoked sausages. Hardwood smoked Oscar Mayer sausages. Little smokies, I call them. But they're good. Now we have them chopped up here, so we're going to put them in there. Put some in there anyway. So okay, and we'll put some green onion, and we'll put some spinach leaves in there, chopped up. I'm going to beat that up a little. Starting to look good already. Yeah, I like making these. These are good. Okay, let's get our pan over here. Set our burner to medium low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. Let that warm up just a little bit. Now we'll just put our egg mixture here with our sausage in the pan. Now we'll cover that and let that cook for just a little bit. Yeah, we'll uncover that. We'll put our tortillas right on top. Push down on it a little bit. Get it to stick. Just cover that and let that cook a little bit. Okay, let's uncover that and see if we can flip it. Perfect flip. There you go. Now what we got to do is put our cheese on there. You like cheese? Yeah, me too. Just regular American cheese here. And we'll spritz it with a little more sausage. And we have these sausages we sliced up, so we might as well use up a couple of those. See if we can get those in there. And we'll put some more green onion in there. And some spinach leaves. There you go. Now let's see if we can fold that up. Yep. Nope, not quite done yet. Okay, let's cover that up a minute and let that cook. Now let's see if we can fold that up. Oh, look at that. Man, is that thick. Just push down on it a little bit, get everything to stick. And it's gonna melt and be really tasty. Boy, that looks good already. Let's cover that and let that cook a little bit. Okay, let's give it another check. And we'll flip that over. Oh, look at the cheese melting out of that thing. That's really good. All right, we'll cover that for about a minute. Let all the cheese melt and everything get nice and hot. Okay, let's see if we can plate that up. Look at the cheese melting on that thing. Oh yeah. Look at that. Man, does that look good or what? Look at that quesadilla right there with that sausage and cheese and egg. Wow. Okay. We're gonna have to take a taste test on that one. Look at that quesadilla with egg, cheese, and sausage. Man, does that look good or what? Man, that's got some weight to it. All right, let's see if we can cut that in half. There you go. All right, let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, is that ever good? Look at that sausage in there. And cheese. It's beautifully toasted. And crunchy on the outside, and I don't know what to say. I bet you it tastes good, so let's have a little taste. Oh, is that good? That smoked sausage, you're gonna love this one. A breakfast quesadilla with cheese and sausage, green onions and spinach. Man, does that look good or what? Yeah, we're definitely not cleaning up the kitchen because we're getting into that quesadilla right there. What the heck happened to my drink I had sitting here? Someone got it, I bet. That sounds normal.